Hey everyone, are you struggling to compare multiple categories in Power BI? Want to visualize your data like a pro? Well, today I have got you covered. We are diving into the clustered bar chart, a simple yet powerful way to showcase your data effectively. So, grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let's jump in. Alright, so what exactly is a clustered bar chart? Simply put, it's a bar chart that lets you compare multiple categories side by side, helping you analyze trends, patterns, and differences clearly. Unlike a stacked bar chart, where values pile on top of each other, a clustered bar chart places them neatly next to one another. Pretty cool, right? Let's see it in action. Now, let's build one from scratch. Open Power BI and follow these simple steps. Step 1, load your dataset. Step 2, click on the clustered bar chart from the visualization pane. Step 3, drag category, regions, or departments to the y axis. Step 4, drag values such as sales or revenue to the x axis. Step 5, add a legend, for example, year or product type for better comparison. And boom, you have got yourself a powerful visual representation. Now, when should you use a clustered bar chart? Comparing sales performance across different regions, tracking monthly revenue across multiple years, analyzing employee performance in different departments. If your goal is to compare multiple series side by side, this is your go to chart. And there you have it, the clustered bar chart in Power BI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more Power BI tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I will see you in the next one. Happy analyzing.